to solve this question, and it's a right angle triangle, two right angle triangle. So this is 7 centimeter, 1 centimeter. This value is K and K. Also that both angle facing each other, they are right angle triangle. So, but the first thing you are going to do, let's represent the inner diagonal by Y. So by representing the inner diagonal by Y, we apply what we call Pythagorean rules. By Pythagorean rules, it says the hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. This is the rules for the Pythagoreans. This is what it said. So what is the hypotenuse? Any side facing the right angle triangle, it is the hypotenuse. So therefore, we have y squared is equal to the opposite. We're able to choose any one of it to be 1 squared plus 7 squared. So if for having this, we now have 1 plus 49, which is equal to 50. So telling us that the y squared is equal to 50. So if y squared is equal to 50, let's represent this by equation 1. So by representing this by equation 1, you said, let's try to consider the second part that below. In the second part that's below here is, you realize that you still have to apply the same rules, the Pythagoras. And in applying the same rules to this, we have the same rules, which is y squared is equal to k squared plus k squared. So since they are the same, you can add the k together to have 2k squared. So meaning that y squared is equal to 2k squared. So we can call this one equation 2. So let's combine the both equations together. Let's combine equation 1 and 2 together. So by combining equation 1 and 2 together, we have y squared is equal to 50 and y squared is equal to 2k squared. You know that y squared is equal to y squared. So we can decide to say that 2k squared is equal to 50. So 2 we cancel this, we have k squared is equal to 25. So if k squared is equal to 25, meaning that k is equal to square root of 25 by finding the square root of the both sides. So k is equal to 5 centimeter. So meaning that the value of k for this question is 5 centimeter. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and try to share this video to those that you believe they really need it. This is You Are Welcome to Olusegun Maths Clinic. I also said thanks for watching this video. Thanks.